Action learning is really important here at the Global MBA. There's no better way to change your behavior, to learn new skills, than trying them out. We bring the real world into the classroom, so they play in simulations, they work with companies on life cases, as we call them, so strategic questions where they find answers and they get feedback from the company. They do consulting projects as real consultants to companies. We're bringing the companies into the classroom, but ideally this also brings the students to the companies, be it as a consultant or be it potentially as a future employee. So the great thing about action learning is that it's extremely motivating because students see that they're helping a company and they can actually make an impact. This is our motto here. So I think it also opens horizons in addition to creating wonderful learning experiences.
One of the great things of the MBA at EDHEC is that we get to experience not just the academic and case-based studying, but also the real challenges. One example is a hackathon where we were able to understand one of the key challenges each of the companies participating had and how we can apply all the knowledge we've been gathering and solve it for them.
Job shadowing, it's an opportunity to be involved in day-to-day operations of the company and to follow the director or the CEO of the company. I learned how to take strategic decisions. I learned also how to deal with your team, how to inspire your team, how to manage your team.
One of the things why I chose the EDHEC MBA was a network, and the access to companies that would come to EDHEC and would share their problems with us is also amazing because it's not easy for a company to open up and to share all these challenges they have. The doors are open for EDHEC alumni and EDHEC MBAs.
After having worked with the students here, I'm impressed with the quality of the brain power in place. This is high caliber thinkers. The main outcome for us, or the goal for us, was identify additional revenue streams, identify growth paths. So yeah, definitely things that we're carrying out today came out of this exercise. Probably the name and the reputation of the school made it an easier exercise for me. One, to open my books and to say, okay, this is what we have. And knowing that the people in front of me were pre-selected and knew what they were talking about, it made the whole thing more professional, easier to handle. Having the stamp of the school, it helps, for sure.
So the real benefit for the employer is they get new insights from people from around the world, because at our Global MBA we have 25 to 30 nationalities, and they know potential new employees, which in some cases they actually then hire.